Nonna just really stood out. She was desperate for human love and attention. I'm Haley, and this is Nonna's story for GeoBeats.
Baby wants some love.
A mass hoarding situation was found in Louisiana. They found about 30 cats in this house. It was a breeder who had been put into assisted living. Her son turned up at this rescue group with cats in the car. They were estimating that with that kind of situation of it being really just quite an intense breeder, she could have had up to 3 litters a year for 8 years. When we looked through all the photos and I spoke to the rescue group, it felt so sad that she'd had that kind of life, and it felt really right to bring her into ours. They brought them all up from Louisiana to Rhode Island. We drove from Connecticut to Rhode Island to pick up Nonna. She was in a little crate. She was just so tiny. She just looked so scared. I just remember thinking, oh yeah, I want to look after this little one. She was very shy in that she would hide in the cat tree. But she would also come over and wanted strokes and showed her tummy within a few days and wanted tickles. She was very excited to meet Stevie. They play with each other. Nonna is the little sister, even though she could be up to 4 years older than Stevie. She's always copying Stevie. They'll both stand like meerkats for treats. Because of their little legs, they're these little columns of loof. You can't even really see. Everyone loves their little stair hops. I feel like she's learned it off Stevie. Nonna is the biggest copycat. If Stevie sits somewhere, the minute Stevie leaves, Nonna sits there. It's very weird. Stevie was like my first child. And I have different feelings towards them, but I love them both so much. Nonna has such a different personality to Stevie. She's so unique. When we first adopted her, she would just squeak. She wouldn't really meow very properly. And now she does this sound, which it literally sounds like she's saying hello. She's a lot more squeaky in the middle of the night. She's definitely more likely to wake us up in the middle of the night, but it doesn't upset me. I'm just like, oh, because she has had such a tough life. And the fact that she just acts like this little kitten and she's so sweet and happy with life, knowing that, I definitely have a soft spot for her. And you just want to I just want to make sure that she really, really has a lovely life now.